Hey guys, it's Nick. I'm here in Patra, Greece, and I don't know if you can see it, but behind me is the big castle up on the hill up there. It's around midnight on a Friday night, so I'm gonna walk around and see what's going on in Patra. So this is my first time ever in Patra, and I'm only staying for one night because I'm heading out to the island of Zakynthos tomorrow morning. And so if you don't know, Patra is on the west end of the Peloponnese in Greece, and it is a port city, so there's a lot of boats going to Italy and the islands on the west side of Greece over here, and so that's where I'm going, to Zakynthos. For those that don't know, Patra is the third largest city in Greece, has about 200,000 people, I believe. And so it's a pretty interesting place just to walk around for an afternoon, because you have streets like this which look like the fancy shopping area and stuff, and then if you go up some of these side streets, it looks like some of the back alley places of Athens, downtown Athens or something like that. So that's a little bit of nice areas and not so nice areas. You got Benetton stores and all kinds of stuff like that. So it's about midnight. I'm going to see where the kind of nightlife is, if there is any. This square over here is really busy earlier in the daytime and in the early evening, but there's not a lot of people out here now. Let's walk around. So this place was pretty busy before, but it's closed. So this street looks like there's still a good amount of people. So let's see what's going on over here. There's a bar over here, looks pretty nice inside, but not really a lot of people. So this Italy place is very busy right now. Looks like they got some good pizza. I might actually try some. Looks good. This place is pretty cool looking. Alright, this place is kind of lively. Alright, so the square is up to the left. I'm going to go another block and then circle around and see what's going on in that square over there. This corner place looks like it's pretty busy, and the next street down also. And this bar, all day coffee bar. So this place is very busy. People having mixed drinks and whatnot. This place has the inside like it's some kind of archaeological dig. So these side streets got a lot of things going on too. So it seems like this is the definite nightlife area around here. People are eating late out here. Nice places. Hey, this street is packed too. So it's like a bar, but everybody's sitting at their own table. Nobody's like standing at an actual bar. They just come in with their friends and, you know, having drinks and probably some food. So that's kind of interesting that that street is really busy, and just one block over, it's pretty much dead around midnight. But man, there are a lot of people out here, and they are eating late at night. I don't think even in Athens there's that many restaurants open that late. So it's pretty interesting to see all these people out here. So I'm gonna head back to the square over here and see what's going on over there, because I was there earlier in the day and it looked like there's a bunch of restaurants around that square. So I'm curious how it's looking right now after midnight. What's going on here? I really don't know where I'm walking over here. I'm just kind of walking randomly in the general direction of where I think the square is, but there's a lot of interesting streets out here. All right, let's see who's out here. Looks, I don't know, not that crowded. So I see some people drinking over here, so they kind of got their own outside bar, I guess. But I was here earlier, got a Guido from that place, pretty good. But yeah, not a lot of people out here, mostly a younger crowd for sure. Guys, I gotta add more to this video. I was walking around from this square over here, and if you go right up this street, there are even more bars and it's even more packed. So I'm gonna take a walk up there and see what's going on it's about 12:30 now. 1 o'clock in the morning on Friday night, and this place is packed. I got my chicken souvlaki, and you never seen guys make gyros so quick as these guys. Yeah, there's like 20 souvlakis there. And it looks like the crowd up this street over here is definitely a younger crowd. But let's take a look at some video game slash food. Interesting. But straight up ahead over here, this place is packed. Everybody's just spilling out outside. It's got to be like 300 people here. Let's see, is there more up here? Or is this a restaurant? This place is more packed than Athens, it looks like, around Monastiraki. Alright, I'm not walking up all these stairs, but you get the idea. Cut across this way. Wow, this is absolutely packed. So this area blows away the other area. Guys, this area is packed. This is going away from the port, more up the hill towards the stairs and the castle. These little streets over here are just jam-packed with people. So the castle is up this way, the water and the port is down that way. Oh, and the police station is right here. So if you're worried if this area is safe, one, look at all the people here late at night. Should tell you it's fine, but number two is the police station is even a police bus right there. So this seems to be a pretty safe area to come out and drink and eat and whatnot. So guys, this is now the end of my video. So you saw the place that was more restaurants down more towards the port, and up here, up the hill, is more bars and younger people for sure. So get in where you fit in, and either one of these places is a good place to come to in my opinion. So come check it out. Hope you like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.